Hello guys, welcome to another video on WP Blogger YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn more about the best redirection plugin to use on WordPress. Redirection is able to help us maintain our links instead of making our links dead links, giving us 404 errors. We can use redirection to redirect our dead links or not found links or broken links to a new link that is working, that is live, and it will also help preserve any SEO link juice of such links. So redirections are very important in WordPress, and in today's video we are going to learn how to set up redirection easily on our WordPress blog. Before we get started into today's tutorial, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, click on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of my awesome videos. If you have any questions or feedback, leave them in the comment box below. I do well to respond to every comment on this channel. Don't forget to also smash the like button, click on the thumbs up button. It means a whole lot to me. If you are looking for the best WordPress hosting platform, then I recommend to you Bluehost. That is why we use, and that is why I highly recommend it. We are hosting our tutorial websites and our money websites on Bluehost. Click on the link below this video. It will bring you to this page. Once you are on this page, just click on Get Started. Select any of these packages and get started with your stress-free WordPress hosting by Bluehost. Now, let's get started into today's video. Like I said, we are going to install a plugin called Redirection, or to help us set up redirection on our sites. So I'll come to the plugin section here and click on Add New, and I'll search for redirection here. This is the plugin I'm talking about, Redirection Plugin by John Goodley or Godly. So let's install this plugin. Let's click on this button here to install our plugin. Once it's installed, let's click on Activate. Our plugin has finished installing successfully. So let's go through the steps. We have a notification here. It says, please complete your redirection setup to activate the plugin. So I'll click on this link here. Welcome to Redirection. You can take your time to read through. So we have the source URL and we have the target URL. And let's just click Start Setup here. So we want to monitor permalink changes in our post and pages. Keep a log of all redirects and 404 errors. Let's check it. And let's also store the IP information for the redirects and 404 errors. Now I'll click on Continue Setup here. Our plugin uses REST API. For doing the scan, everything is looking good here. Once again, our WordPress is hosted by Bluehost. If you want a stress-free hosting, check Bluehost so that you don't get any errors in these tutorials. So I'll click on Finish Setup here. So our basic data has been created successfully and we are good to go. So if we want to add a new redirection, this is how to go about it. Let's come to this post Eminem stronger than I was. So I'll copy the URL here and let's redirect this post to a different URL. Let's redirect it to Silicon Valley Guru here. So let me copy this link address and paste it here. So if you have a dead link, a broken link, this is how to easily send the old link to the new link. So let's click on add redirect to create our first redirection. So it says here our redirection has been completed. So let's go and check if everything is working perfectly. So we have the URL here. I'm going to refresh and let's find out. Our post has been redirected to the Silicon Valley like we guessed or like we did. So it shows that our redirection is working successfully. There's another feature about this plugin I also want us to take a look. Now, when you come to your 404 errors, to show you all the 404 errors that you have, copy those links and create redirection with those links. Now, let's go into our post here and let's check out something. Let's try and edit one of our posts. So I'm going to edit DJ Dark. We have chill vibes here. So let's just click on edit here. This is the current permalink as you can see from here. So let me click on edit right here and change the permalink. I'll just remove one of the S here and I'll click on OK. So let's click on OK. So I've changed the permalink. There was an S here. Now I have removed that S and let me click on update. The post was first published on 9th August 2021 and today is 16th August as of the time of doing this video. And now look at one thing. When we published this post, we shared it on social media. But now we have edited this link. So those wherever we have the link having the S at the end of this permalink or at the end of this URL, we'll have to return a 404 error because we've changed the link here. But with our redirect plugin that we've installed, any person who visits the site using the old link will still be presented to this new link because of our redirection plugin we've installed. Any person who comes to the site with the S URL here will still be redirected to the correct link. So let's just find it out here. So let me copy the new permalink here. Open my notepad. Let me paste the link here. This was the old URL. Before our redirection plugin, entering this URL on our site will give us 404 error. That is if we've shared the old link on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and because we've changed the link, somebody clicks on it it has to return a 404 error. But with our plugin installed, let's check it. So I'll copy the old link. As you can see, I've added the S here, and let me paste it here and hit enter. Look at the URL. Well, you see the S has vanished and we still have the vibe here instead of vibes, but it did not return a 404 error. It still brought us to the correct page. So this is how you can do SEO friendly redirection on your WordPress blog. This is how to do proper redirection on your site. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Smash that like button, give me the thumbs up, it means a whole lot to me. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and enable the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I release one of my awesome videos. If you have any questions, suggestions, or feedback, don't forget to leave them in the comment box below. Before I take leave of you, I have prepared some WordPress resources for beginners. Check the description box below this video for these resources. They are meant to help you grow from a beginner to an expert in WordPress blogging. Until I come your way with another awesome video, it's bye-bye from WP Blogger.